Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking for that quick knowledge hit with real strategic value, well, you know where we always start our analysis.
That's right, the AI agent store. It's just invaluable for getting organized intelligence.
Exactly. And today we're pulling up details on one agent that's making waves in e-commerce.
We are. It's Qeen AI. You'll find it filed under marketing AI agents there.
Right, Qeen AI. And the key thing here, its focus is specifically on e-commerce merchants.
Yeah, it's built to automate things like content, conversational sales, even full marketing campaigns.
And the background detail that really jumped out at me, co-founded by people from Google and DeepMind.
That definitely signals a certain level of technical ambition right off the bat. Sets expectations high.
Okay, so let's get into that ambition. They talk about three main parts, right?
Yes, three key modules. There's dynamic content, a growth marketing agent, and then a conversational agent.
So dynamic content, growth marketing, conversational. Why three? Is the goal just boosting sales? Or is there more to it? Feels like it could be, a big complex.
Well, the idea seems to be making them work together, like a cycle. The conversational agent talks to customers, gathers real-time data.
Like what they're clicking on, asking about.
Exactly. And it feeds that intelligence straight back to the dynamic content module. So product descriptions, maybe ad copy, you can all adapt super fast.
Okay. So it's not just generating content, it's learning from interactions to change the content.
Precisely. It's about that rapid, sort of autonomous adaptation, something manual marketing struggles with at scale.
Which brings us to that big number they state, 87% autonomy. That sounds incredibly high for this kind of platform.
It really is. Almost unheard of, like you said.
So how do they back that up? What's the tech making that possible?
They point to their own tech proprietary stuff they call RLUI technology, reinforcement learning from user interactions, basically.
Like RLUI. And that lets the AI learn and make decisions on its own.
Yeah, continuously learning from how people use the site, what they respond to, and then making changes without needing a human okay every single time.
Wow. Do they give an example of what that looks like?
They do, and it's a big one. They say the platform automatically generates and updates product descriptions for, get this, over 1 million SKUs.
1 million stock keeping units.
Yep. And performs real-time marketing alongside that, apparently without direct manual oversight for those tasks.
Handling 1 million SKUs, that it screams global scale. Does it handle localization well? Because that's often a huge bottleneck.
It seems to be a core feature. They emphasize multilingual content support, and they specifically mention targeting companies expanding in complex language markets, highlighting the MENA region, Middle East, North Africa.
So it understands that just translating isn't enough. It needs cultural adaptation, too.
That seems to be the pitch. Generating tons of content is one thing. Making it relevant locally is another.
Okay, but let's play devil's advocate.
Yeah.
87% autonomy for a marketing lead, a CMO, that's also 87% less direct control.
That's the tension, absolutely. Where are the guardrails? What happens if the AI makes a costly mistake, say, in localization?
Right. Who's managing that remaining 13%? Is that where the human oversight comes in?
That's the crucial question for the users, isn't it? The founders, the CMOs, the e-commerce managers using it, they must feel the scale benefits outweigh that risk.
So the target users are really those people needing massive scale e-commerce managers, growth marketers.
Content and SEO specialists, too, and founders or CMOs at fast-growing companies. The use cases are pretty clear from that.
Like automating content and localization, scaling campaigns without huge teams.
And using that conversational AI to improve the customer experience, hopefully driving more sales. It's a subscription model, closed source code.
Any sense of how popular it is?
The store data shows a 72% popularity level currently across sectors like e-commerce, marketing, retail, and consumer goods. So decent traction.
So for you listening, the takeaway here seems to be that these highly specialized, very autonomous agents are becoming, well, maybe the standard way to optimize e-commerce quickly.
Yeah, it's like you're not just getting a tool, you're kind of hiring an autonomous system to handle really complex scaling problems.
Which definitely gives you something to think about.
It does. And it leaves us with a question, maybe for you to ponder. If a system is 87% autonomous, managing 1 million products, where does essential human input even start?
Do you just set the big goals and then step back?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Challenges how we think about managing these operations.
Really interesting point. Well, if you want to explore Qeen AI or other specialized agents like it, you could always head over to aiagentatdoor.ai.
Good resource to check out.
Thanks for tuning in with us today. And hey, if you got some value from this, we always appreciate you taking a moment to rate the show. Catch you next time.